Hello everyone, it's Anna, Audacious Changes. Today I want to share a body-mind practice for those times when you're feeling a little bit stressed or scattered and you want to kind of reset things. It's going to use your breath, and it's a breathing technique called butterfly breath. So let's do it together. Let's put our hands on our chest right here around our heart area, right? We're going to breathe in here. And then we're going to exhale them. We're going to do this butterfly breath, exhaling them out like the butterfly is opening the wings, spreading them wide. And then inhale back to the chest. And then exhale out in through your nose. Inhale. Exhale through the nose and out. Inhale. And exhale. This is nice to pair with the Sanskrit chant of so hum, which means I am. So inhale and think so. Exhale through the nostrils thinking hum. So it's so hum, meaning I am. I am. You can do it silently or you can do it as a verbal chant. Give it a try. It's a great way to give yourself a little mini break and then get back on with your life. This is Anna Mahan, AudaciousChanges.com, where we integrate the body and the mind. And if you like this video, please remember to subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.